And is being provided with enhanced sound on BT Sport 1 HD. But if you
move from Germany, 2 knockout games to be played on successive nights. Is fine after his comeback last week. Di Maria is back from suspension. For Mukiele and Angelino would be the fullbacks, and as we saw last central defenders, Upamecano alongside Klosterman, it looks as though he's matched 23 years ago in the Confederations Cup. And they've got some defending to do here, as well as in midfield, having been a wing-back last week, and that's a good cross-in. The Paris Saint-Germain form, Steve, is Kylian Mbappe. It's a lovely ball through to Neymar, who's in. Oh, he's hit the post, and it's another chance created for Neymar in the knockout stage of the Champions League here in those nights again for him. There's an opportunity for Kylian Mbappe, and the referee has blown the whistle for a handball. Thomas Tuchel, Marcel Sabitzer, it was missed in there by Nkunku, and an Angelino was coming in, and his touch was a little bit heavy, and now there's the chance for this Sabitzer, who gets the shot in, and Sergio Rico makes Neymar just giving it back to him, and now he can try and pick someone out. Di Maria, it wasn't a very good ball at all. They created the situation really nicely. Really well. Here it goes, not a bad one. A good leap in the middle, and the deflection to Di Maria. Konrad Laimer adjudged to have fouled Neymar.
Yeah, in the end, it's clever by Neymar, because we know he's on the floor a lot, but he buys fouls all the time, and in the end, the referee will have enough.
It's taken by Angel Di Maria and glanced in brilliantly by Marquinhos. Great delivery by Di Maria. And a perfectly accurate header from the Brazilian Marquinhos to make it Leipzig 0, Paris Saint-Germain 1. And Thomas Tuchel sees his side get the first goal.
Yeah, and it's not the Brazilian we all thought it would be. But you got it right. The ball from Di Maria is lovely, isn't it? A lovely arc on the ball. Marquinhos, a really nice run. He's never missing from there. Goalkeeper can't come. Defence are all. Actually, Palace have had too many chances, and now with the goal.
So first Mbappe on the ball. Threaded back through to Mbappe. Important save by Galassi. They completely switched off at the back there, Leipzig.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that. That was just a great save.
Campbell floats in the ball. Kimpembe heads it away. Here's Angelino.
Not a great header by Kimpembe. Not a great header at all.
Goes the corner, which is just a little bit too high in there for Upamecano, and Bjorn Kuipers says that. Here's Mbappe. No foul.
No. Looked a foul, didn't I, thought?
Angelino to Poulsen. Dani Olmo. Kevin Campbell was running in. They're going to bring it back here for the free kick on Olmo. I think it was Kimpembe that did it. Has had a really good goal-scoring season, and the deflection on the wall takes it over.
Thiago Silva did well jumping.
And Laimer to chase, and they've got Poulsen and Nkunku in the middle, and there's the opportunity for the captain, Yusuf Poulsen. Dios is Ander Herrera, and it goes towards him. Almost managed to find a way out, didn't he, despite the fact they clustered around.
There was a foul. Campbell pulled his shirt. That's quite cynical.
Plenty of pace on that. Oh! He'd spotted the gap and tried to sneak it in the most audacious manner, Neymar. Galassi did brilliantly to get across.
Yeah, I think just it's the side.
Neymar still going. Mukiele. Marquinhos has. Di Maria's made the run into the box. Neymar was coming in as well, and it was smashed away by Klosterman. Bad decision by Galassi, a bad ball as well. It's going to fall here for Di Maria, and they paid the price. Well, you cannot make a mistake like that in games like this and give the ball away to Paris Saint-Germain, because they will punish you. And it doubles the PSG lead, and RB Leipzig only have themselves to blame.
Yeah, you can't give mistakes away like that. in this game. You can't do that at schoolboy level. Gets punished by good players all the time. Not to Sabitzer. What a switch by Neymar. Unfortunately, the camera was just a little bit slow, but that's the angle, isn't it?
And he's managed to ride the challenge, and he knows he's got Neymar in the middle. Here's Neymar! Missed another one. Can't believe it. Nor can he.
Yeah, he can afford to smile at 2 up and cruising. Not getting anything, but they got close that way.
Danny Elmo was trying to nick it over Kimpembe. He's going to get the free kick, in actual fact. It's lifted in there by Angelino. And into the middle by Sabitzer. Taken down by Angelino. I wonder why Lima. Yusuf Poulsen trying to cause the mistake from Thiago Silva. Liverpool with Roma a couple of seasons ago. Here's Forsberg. Poulsen did well to win it back. Angelino, he's on the run. Goes the Forsberg corner, and Patrick Schick was the man attacking it. Last touch. Forsberg hits the shot by Poulsen. Schick looking to turn. Kimpembe in there for PSG. It too.
Oh, he didn't need to do that. Mukiele, what's he doing?
So Sabitzer's header. Michael Di Maria, that's a lovely ball. Bernat didn't.
All right, of course, and this is where he has a big touch and allows the goalkeeper to, wasn't it, by Bernat?
There's the cross, there's Bernat!
Sure, he's offside. Or is it Mukiele playing him on, actually, over on the very far side, away from all the action? I think he is.
Congressman can't believe it, they are checking the goal.
Let's see, that's all right, of course, and this is where he has a big touch and allows the goalkeeper to get it. It's him there, it's Mukiele. Let's see him here. Bernat.
Another one scored by Di Maria. Cross there too close. Here's Lima. Sabitzer with a chance to shoot. Hits it straight down the throat of the Paris Saint-Germain goalkeeper, Sergio Rico.
Yeah, simple enough.
The draw was made. Did look a more straightforward route for them than others.
Definitely.
That's an unnecessary challenge, isn't it, by Lima? Frustration there and a yellow card for him.
Yeah, first one for Leipzig.
Angelino. The 2 half-time substitutes combining. Marcel Sabitzer. And whistles over the top. I think Sabitzer...
Let's go for it.
Tilo Kehrer pulls it back. Angel Di Maria in towards Kylian Mbappe.
Di Maria in swinger. Mbappe's there. Should have got it on target.
Giving the ball away again. Deep in the row. Kylian Mbappe. Little step over. Mbappe, good save.
The ball away. Step over by Mbappe. Good height, isn't it, for Galassi? This is from Paredes.
And then hit low. And hit relatively sweetly by Paredes, but held no shot. Forsberg plays it through. Good challenge by Kimpembe. Angelino trying to get the shot in. Sergio Rico made the save. It must have moved around a little bit because he just had to readjust himself.
Yeah, it looked as if it moved around.
Kylian Mbappe. Oh, he's fallen over.
Behind him anyway, wasn't it? But it was
Neymar.
See, Poulsen's on 40 yards, and to argue with the referee. He
goes for goal. And then back in with real power.
The wrong way.
Oh, it's hit Mbappe. It was Klosterman who was trying to deal with it over there, and he almost got himself in a... Mukiele drills in the cross.
So they've got there today. It looks as if they've got there anyway.
2 more chances.
Tongan with the crossfield ball. Eriksson. That a foul? Yes, the referee's given it.